O'Leary, you sold it. Jim, Farmer Jim, you sold it right before Labor Day. Degas sold it in April. The only person who likes it's Carrie, who still owns it. You still like it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, they hit all of the high points for the quarter. I mean, sales were good, but they raised guidance. They show a commitment to cutting costs, and they talked about $900 million this year, $1.3 billion next year. They've already said that the fourth quarter margins will improve. And there's an activist in the stock, Elliott Management, and they said they acknowledge that. They're working with Elliott. They've agreed to $15 billion in a buyback next year. I mean, it sounds as if this is a company who's sort of seen the light and realized that investors have been very unhappy, and they have to show that they can get back on track. They've hired a CFO. They haven't had a CFO for a while now. They've hired Blake Jorgensen from EA. They need a chief operating officer. That's going to happen. And you see that Venmo is growing extremely well. They recognize that 80% of their business comes from 30% of their users, and they really have to focus on who are the users paying money or trying to attract new users to PayPal and accounts where they're not generating business or they're losing business, wasn't working. And this management seems to have gotten religion, and we think the stock is very attractive here. It's 19 times earnings.
I want to talk to Jim and Degas.
Yeah.
Degas, maybe the stock just had to re-rate. Maybe, I mean, company perfectly fine. Stock just was crazy. Valuation was nuts. And maybe it just had to re-rate, and now it has. And that's why Carrie still likes it. Maybe the valuation is more palatable now, clearly, than it was then. Maybe you guys got off the train too early.
Well, Scott, I don't think I got off the train too late.
Too late then too early. Too late then too early. Right? You know what I mean? Too late then too early, because the stock was down a lot and you got off the train. But now maybe it's coming back, so you got off too early.
Well, okay, so I actually sold it back in April at about $100. So the stock is now returning to the point that I sold it. So what I'm looking at now, I want to see greater visibility on earnings. And if we see a better picture on earnings, I may reconsider this name. But right now, I'm waiting to see if we're going to have a solid earnings view.
Okay. Farmer Jim, I pose the same question to you.
You see I loosened my tie?
You did. You were anticipating something?
I know you like a good tussle, okay? I know you like to jab with me. I've got an issue with you, Scott.
It's not a matter of jabbing with you. It's simply asking the question, maybe the stock simply just had to re-rate.
I would dodge
and then now it's time to buy PayPal. Target gets raised 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places today.
Scott, I want PayPal to do well. Carrie is my friend. I want her to do well. When I sell a stock, I move on. Now, we're in earnings season, okay? I don't care about PayPal. It's not on my list. But I got an issue with you.
Me?
You like a good fight. It's you and me, okay? You control the narrative. Why aren't we talking about CVS today, which you know I own, and has 5 years of earnings beats? And beat on the top,
CVS.
beat on the bottom line, raised guidance. Now, let me tell you something else.
There's
tomorrow.
An exciting one.
Yeah, it's exciting because it goes up, and you want to talk about PayPal. I love you, Carrie, but how much is it down year to date?
Yeah.
How much is it down the last 2 years? Carrie, don't respond because it's got more to do with Scott. My tie is lowered, all right?
Okay.
I'll tell you what.
Carry on.
Tomorrow.
I can take it.
Tomorrow. Our friend Paramount is going to report.
Oh, boy. You're all bulled up ahead of that one?
And I know you. I know that when the earnings season came out, you circled that date in black marker.
I noticed it today. I'm not one of the 5 people who cut it to sell like in the last 10 days.
Here is my point, okay? I love jabbing with you, but you got to like give me some credit when it's due. You do.
Well, why wouldn't you let me get to CVS, but let me finish PayPal first?
Oh.
You don't think I was going to give you any credit on CVS at all?
Exactly. No, I didn't, but okay. Dazzled me.
Well, I can't do it now because I still want to talk about PayPal.
Okay.
Remember, you said it first. I control the narrative. You don't. Let me get there. Kevin O'Leary, seriously, you sold PayPal. I think the most recent sale on the team here. Now, given what you heard, why?
I have a different reason. I went to the Hill recently to Washington to see what was going on with the Toomey and the Haggerty bills around payment systems that are being pushed through. Now, there's a lot of debate about crypto, but payment systems unlike just like Visa or MasterCard or PayPal, there is a lot of policy being pushed forward on getting stable coins that are backed by U.S. dollars and treasury bills done before Toomey retires. That will be a landslide change for PayPal because, frankly, look at what just happened with Circle that has an unregulated so far. They've got USDC. Fidelity put $200 million in just a couple of months ago. Then BlackRock, $200 million. That payment system is global. That payment system supported on a bipartisan basis. That payment system backs the U.S. dollar as the defining currency worldwide. When that comes on board, I don't want to own PayPal. I think there's going to be a swing for payment systems that are regulated, backed by the U.S. dollar, that are going to decimate services like PayPal. They were like the pioneer with the arrows in their back. That's my take of it. That's why I dumped the stock, and I'm not going back in.